Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been a topic of discussion for decades. AI refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. AI technology has advanced significantly since its inception, and its applications have expanded to numerous industries, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. The history of AI can be traced back to the mid-20th century. In 1956, a group of researchers gathered at Dartmouth College in New Hampshire for a conference on artificial intelligence. The attendees included some of the most prominent computer scientists of the time, such as John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and Claude Shannon. The conference is often referred to as the birthplace of AI, as it marked the beginning of the field as we know it today. The early years of AI research were characterized by optimism and excitement. Researchers believed that they would soon be able to create machines that could rival human intelligence in a wide range of tasks. However, progress was slow, and the limitations of the technology became increasingly apparent. In the 1960s and 1970s, interest in AI waned, as researchers struggled to make significant breakthroughs. In the 1980s, a new approach to AI emerged, known as expert systems. These were computer programs that were designed to mimic the decision-making capabilities of human experts in a particular field. Expert systems were used in a variety of applications, including medical diagnosis and financial analysis. However, they had their limitations, as they were only capable of solving specific problems and could not adapt to new situations. The 1990s saw a resurgence of interest in AI, as new technologies and approaches emerged. One of the most significant developments was the advent of machine learning, a subfield of AI that involves training algorithms to recognize patterns in data. Machine learning paved the way for a wide range of applications, including image recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous vehicles. In recent years, deep learning, a type of machine learning that involves the use of neural networks, has emerged as a dominant approach in AI research. Deep learning has led to significant advances in image and speech recognition, and has been used in applications ranging from healthcare to finance. Despite the advances made in AI technology, there are still many challenges to be addressed. One of the most pressing issues is the development of AI systems that are transparent and explainable. As AI becomes more prevalent in society, it is essential that people understand how it works and why it makes the decisions it does. Another challenge is the ethical implications of AI. As machines become more intelligent, they may make decisions that have far-reaching consequences for society. There is a need for ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure that AI is used responsibly and for the benefit of all. In conclusion, the history of AI is a long and complex one, marked by periods of excitement and stagnation. AI technology has advanced significantly in recent years, and its applications have expanded to numerous industries. However, there are still many challenges to be addressed, from the development of explainable AI to the ethical implications of the technology. As AI continues to evolve, it will be important to consider the impact it has on society and to ensure that it is used for the greater good.